Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're exploring comparatives and superlatives.
These help you compare things in English.
Understanding them makes your descriptions more powerful.
They're used constantly in everyday conversation.
By the end of this episode, you'll use them confidently.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what these are.
We have three forms: positive, comparative, and superlative.
Positive is the basic form, just the adjective.
Tall, fast, beautiful. These are positive forms.
Comparative compares two things.
Taller, faster, more beautiful, comparing two.
Superlative shows the extreme among three or more.
Tallest, fastest, most beautiful, the ultimate.
Understanding comparatives.
Comparatives compare two people, things, or groups.
Structure, subject, plus verb, plus comparative, than, plus object.
I am taller than you. This car is faster than that one.
How to form comparatives.
Rule 1. Short adjectives, one syllable, plus ER.
Tall becomes taller. Fast becomes faster. Old becomes older.
Small becomes smaller. Young becomes younger.
Rule 2 is adjectives ending in Y change Y to IER.
Happy becomes happier. Easy becomes easier. Pretty becomes prettier.
Rule 3 is long adjectives use more.
Beautiful becomes more beautiful. Expensive becomes more expensive.
Interesting becomes more interesting. Difficult becomes more difficult.
Understanding superlatives.
Superlatives show the extreme in a group.
Structure. Subject plus verb plus the plus superlative.
I am the tallest in my family. This is the fastest car.
How to form superlatives.
Rule 1 is short adjectives, one syllable, plus EST.
Tall becomes tallest. Fast becomes fastest. Old becomes oldest.
Small becomes smallest. Young becomes youngest.
Rule 2. Adjectives ending in Y change Y to IEST.
Happy becomes happiest. Easy becomes easiest. Pretty becomes prettiest.
Rule 3. Long adjectives use most.
Beautiful becomes most beautiful. Expensive becomes most expensive.
Interesting becomes most interesting. Difficult becomes most difficult.
Irregular forms.
Some adjectives don't follow the rules.
Good becomes better, becomes best.
Bad becomes worse, becomes worst.
Far becomes farther/further, becomes farthest/furthest.
Little becomes less, becomes least.
Much/many become more, become most.
Memorize these irregular ones.
The key differences.
Positive equals basic form, no comparison.
Comparative equals comparing two things. Use than.
Superlative equals the most or least in a group. Use the.
Let's practice with a conversation. Linda, which phone do you think is better, iPhone or Android? I think iPhones are more user-friendly, but Androids are cheaper.
True. Android is also more customizable than iPhone.
But iPhones have the best camera quality, in my opinion.
Really? I think Samsung has the most advanced camera technology now.
Maybe. Which one is lighter?
iPhones are usually lighter than most Android phones.
And which has the longest battery life?
Some Android phones have the longest battery life on the market.
So both have advantages. Which would you choose?
For me, Android is better because it's more affordable.
Did you notice the comparatives and superlatives?
Better, comparative of good.
More user-friendly, long adjective comparative.
Cheaper, short adjective comparative.
More customizable, long adjective comparative.
The best camera quality, superlative of good.
The most advanced, long adjective superlative.
Lighter, short adjective comparative.
The longest battery life, superlative.
The most expensive, long adjective superlative.
Better and more affordable, comparatives.
All used correctly.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1, using more with short adjectives.
Wrong, more tall than me. Correct, taller than me.
Short adjectives use ER, not more.
Mistake 2 is forgetting the before superlatives.
Wrong, she is tallest girl. Correct, she is the tallest girl.
Always use the with superlatives.
Mistake 3, using than with superlatives.
Wrong, the tallest than everyone. Correct, the tallest in the class.
Superlatives use in or of, not than.
Mistake 4 is double comparatives.
Wrong, more prettier. Correct, prettier or more pretty.
Use either ER or more, never both.
Mistake 5. Wrong irregular forms.
Wrong. Gooder, badder, beautifuler.
Correct. Better, worse, more beautiful.
Learn the irregular forms.
Spelling rules for comparatives.
Rule 1. One syllable ending in consonant, vowel, consonant equals double last letter.
Big, bigger. Hot, hotter. Sad, sadder.
Rule 2. Ending in E, just add R.
Nice, nicer. Large, larger. Safe, safer.
Rule 3. Two syllables ending in Y equals Y to I plus ER.
Happy, happier. Busy, busier. Early, earlier.
Spelling rules for superlatives.
Same rules, but add EST instead.
Big, biggest. Hot, hottest. Sad, saddest.
Nice, nicest. Large, largest. Safe, safest.
Happy, happiest. Busy, busiest. Early, earliest.
Using than with comparatives.
Comparatives need than to show what you're comparing to.
She is taller than her sister.
This book is more interesting than that one.
Today is hotter than yesterday.
Than connects the comparison.
Using in or of with superlatives.
Superlatives use in for places, of for groups.
The tallest building in the city. Place.
The best of the three options. Group.
The fastest runner in the school. Place.
The oldest of my siblings. Group.
Your challenge for this week.
Day 1. Write 10 comparatives using short adjectives.
Day 2. Write 10 comparatives using long adjectives.
Day 3. Write 10 superlatives using short adjectives.
Day 4. Write 10 superlatives using long adjectives.
Day 5. Practice irregular forms. Good, bad, far.
Day 6. Compare 3 items using both forms.
Day 7. Explain the rules to another learner.
By week's end, you'll master these.
Less and least.
Opposites of more and most.
Less equals comparative for decrease.
This is less expensive than that. She is less tall than him.
Least equals superlative for minimum.
This is the least expensive option. He is the least experienced.
Works with any adjective.
As for equality.
Showing things are equal.
She is as tall as her brother. Same height.
This car is as fast as that one. Same speed.
Negative is not as.
I'm not as old as you. You're older.
Different from comparatives.
Modifying comparatives.
Making comparatives stronger or weaker.
Much, far, a lot plus comparative equals stronger.
Much better. Far more interesting. A lot bigger.
A little, a bit, slightly plus comparative equals weaker.
A little taller. A bit more expensive. Slightly faster.
Adds precision.
Double comparatives for change.
Showing parallel increase.
The comparative. The comparative.
The bigger, the better. The more, the merrier.
The faster you work, the sooner you finish.
Common pattern.
Comparatives with and.
Showing continuous change.
Comparative and comparative.
It's getting hotter and hotter.
The situation is becoming worse and worse.
She's growing taller and taller.
Progressive change.
Real-life contexts.
Describing people.
My brother is taller than me. She's the smartest student in class.
Comparing products.
This phone is better than my old one. That's the most expensive watch.
Talking about experiences.
This movie is more exciting than the book. That was the best vacation ever.
Different situations.
Two-syllable adjectives.
Some can use either method.
Clever, to cleverer or more clever.
Simple, to simpler or more simple.
Quiet, to quieter or more quiet.
Both are acceptable.
Comparative of adverbs.
Same rules apply to adverbs.
Fast, to faster. Hard, to harder.
Carefully, to more carefully. Quickly, to more quickly.
Well, to better. Irregular.
Superlative of adverbs.
Also follow the same patterns.
Fast, to fastest. Hard, to hardest.
Carefully, to most carefully. Quickly, to most quickly.
Well, to best. Irregular.
Common expressions.
Fixed phrases with comparatives.
Better late than never. Easier said than done.
The sooner the better. More or less, approximately.
With superlatives.
At the very least, to say the least, last but not least.
Natural expressions.
More detailed examples.
Let's see more comparisons.
Comparing cities.
New York is bigger than Boston. Paris is more romantic than London.
Tokyo is the most populated city in Japan. Venice is the most beautiful city I've visited.
Comparing weather.
Today is hotter than yesterday. Summer is warmer than winter.
December is the coldest month. This season is the wettest season.
Comparing food.
Pizza is tastier than salad.
Chocolate is sweeter than fruit.
This is the best restaurant in town.
That was the worst meal ever.
Different contexts.
Comparing 3 or more items.
This requires superlatives.
Of these 3 cars, the red one is the fastest.
Among all my friends, Sarah is the tallest.
This is the most difficult of all the tests.
Group comparisons.
Comparing quantities.
With countable and uncountable nouns.
More and most for both types.
I have more books than you. Countable.
She has more money than him. Uncountable.
This library has the most books. Countable.
He has the most experience. Uncountable.
Fewer versus less.
Important distinction.
Fewer for countable nouns.
Fewer people, fewer cars, fewer problems.
Less for uncountable nouns.
Less water, less time, less money.
Though less is often used for both in casual speech.
Making polite comparisons.
Softening comparisons.
Instead of "you're wrong," say "I think my way is better."
Instead of "that's ugly," say "this one is more attractive."
Comparatives make criticism gentler,
Emphatic comparatives.
making comparisons stronger.
Even plus comparative.
This is even better than I expected.
Still plus comparative.
It's still more expensive than I wanted.
Far, much, way plus comparative.
This is far more important. That's way better.
Adding emphasis.
Negative comparisons.
Using not with comparatives.
This isn't better than that. Negative comparative. It's not more expensive. Negative.
Using not with superlatives.
This isn't the best option. He's not the smartest.
Expressing disagreement.
Common word pairs.
Frequent comparisons.
Older and wiser, bigger and better, faster and stronger.
More and more, less and less, sooner or later.
Better safe than sorry, better late than never.
Fixed combinations.
Gradable versus non-gradable adjectives.
Some adjectives can't be compared.
Non-gradable. Perfect, unique, dead, impossible.
Wrong, more perfect, most unique.
These are absolute, no degrees.
However, in casual speech, people sometimes say more unique.
But technically incorrect. Comparing past and present.
Using comparatives for change.
Life is easier now than it was before.
Technology is more advanced than 10 years ago.
Things are getting better and better.
Showing progress or change.
Comparatives in questions.
Asking for preferences.
Which is better, coffee or tea?
Who is taller, you or your sister?
What's more important, money or happiness?
Natural questions.
Superlatives in questions.
Asking for extremes.
What's the best restaurant here?
Who's the oldest in your family?
Which is the most expensive?
Seeking the ultimate.
Using possessives with superlatives.
Showing personal connection.
My best friend, his worst nightmare, our greatest achievement.
Her most beautiful dress. Their biggest mistake.
Personal superlatives.
One of the plus superlative.
Showing something is among the top.
One of the best movies. One of the tallest buildings.
One of the most famous singers.
Not the absolute, but among them.
Quick review.
Both forms work in all contexts.
Formal. This solution is more efficient than the previous one.
Informal. This way is better than that way.
Same rules apply.
Quick review.
3 forms: positive, comparative, superlative.
Comparative equals comparing to, use than.
Superlative equals the extreme, use the.
Short adjectives add er, est.
Long adjectives use more, most.
Adjectives ending in y change to ier, iest.
Irregular forms: good, better, best, bad, worse, worst.
Double last consonant for CVC pattern. Big, bigger, biggest.
Always use the before superlatives.
Use in or of with superlatives, than with comparatives.
Less and least for decrease.
Use as for equality.
You now understand comparatives and superlatives completely.
These make your English more descriptive and precise.
Practice comparing things around you.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. English is easier than my language. Use easier or harder.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.